But standing on that bridge and looking down, I'm a big like documentary, how things work kind of guy. I like to see graphics and animations and cutaways. I think I'm just fascinated by that stuff. So this buddy of mine and I that drove out there, we're just talking about, I'm like, they built this thing in 4 years. Did you guys know this?
No.
The Hoover Dam was built in 1931 and 1935.
Wow.
You could, I think, pave a 4-lane highway around the world with the amount of concrete they used in that thing.
Yeah, it's massive.
It is
massive dam.
Gargantuanly big. It's 770 feet high, just as wide at the bottom.